So we installed the high pressure fuel pump in F10. Now the next step is go get tires for my car. I noticed that my tires are completely gone. Could run some logs on the 535. Well, that's it, y'all. We're leaving her here. Hopefully I don't take it for a test drive and build a motor.
Nah.
So we got all the cars washed. IS, we got 535, we got mine, all cleaned up. So we have arrived at UCLA. I have actually never been here. I've lived here my whole life and I don't even know what UCLA looks like. I didn't go to college, guys. Can you tell? Like, damn, bro, I love your BMW. Damn, bro, I love your Mazda Speed. Yeah, bro, we got done to it. You know, downpipe tune. Just got my B58 TU pump installed. Running E40. Yeah. Damn, bro, that's pretty sick. I wish I could have one. Yeah, I see that car behind you too. He's recording me, so I'm gonna stop talking to you, man. Have a good one. David, nice to meet you.
Nico.
Nico, nice to meet you.
These are nice.
Thank you, thank you. They're the original ones. They're just powder coated.
Powder coated? Yeah, powder coated.
You'll feel the motor engage. Otherwise, it's gonna shoot off.
Got it.
Oh, no problem.
Yo, when you lean too far forward, you gotta like play with it again to get it back. Got another M55 335i pulling up. There's another car meet, and I don't know what it's called. Apparently it's big. Golly! Oh shoot, there's the meet. LAPD over there. Oh, we could park somewhere and walk and check out the mess. Damn, what happened? That's gonna be it for today. That's where I'm gonna close out the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like these style vlogs, let me know. I'll make some more for you guys. Make sure to subscribe on YouTube and comment down below if there's any meets like that I could follow the page to. That way we can get some more content for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.